The Trend KWJ650 Worktop Jig. The fast, simple solution for jointing standard worktops. Set up the female joint by measuring the worktop width and inserting the pin into the corresponding hole to set the joint length. Insert pins into the F33 holes to set the joint inset. Slide the pins up to engage the worktop edge and clamp into position. Cut the female joint in a series of shallow passes. Next, turn the jig over to set up the male joint. Insert the pins into the M positions. Slide up to the worktop edge and clamp into place. Then route the male joint again in a series of shallow passes. To cut the bolt recesses, insert pins into the B holes and clamp the jig in place, ensuring sufficient space is left for jointing biscuits. Set the depth using the connector bolt as a gauge, allowing additional clearance to prevent fouling. Route the recesses in a series of passes and check the depth is sufficient. Measure the center line of the bolt and transfer it to make the second part of the bolt recesses. Set the jig to the mark, then clamp and route. Position the joint onto the cabinets and push the joint together. Finally, fit the bolts to the underside and carefully tighten. The Trend KWJ650 Worktop Jig for perfect joints every time.